ain't changed how I'm living.
Hey guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you don't know, my name is Brooklyn. If you already know, hey. So today we have a wig from Luvme. There isn't no link to look for in the description box because there isn't one yet, but they want me to let you guys know that it's pre-plucked, pre-bleached, and an invisible lace. So we're gonna hop straight into the video. So as you guys can see, I already have my wig cap on. I'm not gluing this wig down, so I didn't do the ball cap. But this is how the wig looks straight out of the packaging. Okay, so like they said, it is pre-plucked and pre-bleached, so I'm not going to tell you anything yet. I just want to show you guys what it looks like on my head. Okay, this is a 5x5 lace closure, and like they said, it's already pre-plucked and pre-bleached. So today I'm not doing any glue or any hairspray. It's literally going to be cut. Okay, so here's the construction. It's the same as always. I tighten mine on the tightest, and I'm gonna give y'all a up close of me cutting the lace because I know it's still hard for everyone to do. So first I'm cutting off this side tab. Okay, so I'm gonna attempt to cut this on my head so you guys could see the motion that I'm doing, because I know when I kind of hold it up, it's hard to tell. Oh, this is super tight. See, that's how I like it. That's how I know it's not going nowhere. Okay, so I know it's kind of hard for, people to cut their lace, so I'm giving you guys an up close. Okay, I use scissors like this. They're surgical scissors. Like literally, that's how you're going, the kind of motion that you're gonna go. Okay. Okay, I did this side kind of bad because I'm horrible with, what is this, my right hand. But see, you see how it's just all messed up? It's not supposed to be perfect. So, I'm just gonna grab my makeup shade and I'm gonna color my cap and, fix everything up. And then, I'll be right back. Okay, so now that I have my makeup on my cap and my makeup on my wig, we're just gonna take this and put it on. Okay, so this is the wig, straight out the box. I cut it at the makeup, and since I have a big forehead, I put mine a little further down. So this is completely glueless, completely sprayless. So I'm just making sure my part's in the middle, and I just want to smooth this down. Okay, so I just wanted to, kind of smooth that out a bit. And you just want to make sure when you turn your head, you don't see that white cast. If you do, you just go with a darker shade. So and that's what I'm about to do right now. Okay, so I'm going in with a darker shade. Okay. Okay, my concentrated face looks so freaking ugly. All right, so the hair came colored and everything like this. So we're just gonna comb this out. Jesus, okay. Bothering me. But this wig doesn't have no spray, no glue, or nothing on it. It's completely glueless, super bouncy. I just love this wig so much, so I'm kind of gonna turn a little bit. This hair is super cute. I don't have no complaints about it. It's super soft. Doesn't smell like nothing but hair. No chemicals, no like warehouse boxy smell. Smells perfectly fine. And it's super cute. Here's my part. You guys know I only have the cap underneath. I didn't do the ball cap method. Once again, this is a 5x5 lace closure. And there you have it. This install probably only took me a couple of minutes, no more than 30 minutes. So thank you for watching my YouTube video. Please like, comment, subscribe. Make sure you leave some comments down below on videos that you would like to see next, because now I am taking my YouTube career seriously, and I'm super excited. So this was the install. Please leave some comments down below on more videos that you would like to see. I'm starting to take my YouTube career seriously and my social media career. So my Facebook is Brooklyn Robinson. My Instagram is LuvBabyB, I believe with 2 or 3 E's. I'll have it here. And my business Instagram is Queen B Slade. I'll have it here as well. And if you want to follow me on Twitter and Snapchat, they're both right here. I really don't be on them, but I'm about to start being on them more. I think that was all that I had to say. Oh yeah, and here's my TikTok. I'm about to get into the TikTok situation more. But please like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on. So please like, comment, and subscribe. Please turn on your notification bell so you can be notified every time that I post a new video. And thank you. Okay, so you see, I just put the wig on. I used my makeup shade, or maybe a shade lighter, and then I put the wig on and I went in a little darker. I didn't do anything to this wig. The wig came out the box like this. Pre-plucked, pre-bleached, and invisible lace. Make sure you purchase this. Like I said, the link will not be in the description box because I don't have one yet. If I do have one, I'll end up adding it in like later on. But yeah, the hair is very soft. Doesn't smell like anything but hair. I'm not having no snags or anything, and the hair bounces right back, which is perfect for if you want to just put it on and go like this. Yeah, everything's good about it. Part's really nice. You guys know that I didn't put well, I didn't do the ball cap method, but yeah, this is super cute. Make sure you go check my pictures out when I post them on Instagram. My Instagram is lovebabyb. I believe with 2 or 3 E's. I'll have it right here. My business Instagram is Queen Bee Slade. I'll have it right here as well. And you can follow me on TikTok. I don't know my exact name, but it's right here. Make sure you use my discount code Brooklyn20, I believe. It will be down there in the description box. And I'm coming on here barefaced, haven't done my makeup or anything, because I just want to get the natural me. So make sure you check my pictures out when I post them on Instagram. Please leave comments of different videos that you would like to see. And this was completely glueless, completely sprayless. Took me a couple of minutes. So yeah, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure you check Luvme Hair's website out and purchase, because their wigs are literally the best. I wouldn't still be doing this a year and some months later if they weren't. So that's all I have to say. Please turn on your post notification bell to be notified every time I post a new video. And please subscribe, because I'm taking my YouTube career seriously now, my social media career. So I'm about to be on top of it. So you don't want to miss anything that I post, because from here on out, it's going to be nothing but interesting, fun things. So thank you again. Have a great day.